How's it going, everybody? You already know who it is. It's your boy here, Tom Trading. Man, what a freaking exciting day in the after hours today. Considering we pretty much ended the day at around or near $32. I know it was pretty disappointing considering we started off really strong in the pre-market and then we started dipping down a little bit, towards the high 20s at that point. And it was tough. It was tough because we were really looking forward to right out of the gate this week, especially after a 3-day weekend for Memorial Day. Like I said, we're expecting it right off the gate to just fly to the moon, just take off, hit the ignition, blasting off. And it didn't happen. But all things considered, I think we did a pretty good job. I think there's nothing to complain about at this point. Considering during normal trading hours, we're still up a significant amount, even if it didn't seem that much. But just looking at the chart, right? The chart is there to just pretty much give us a visualization. And for us to just look at this from, a very, realistic point of view. And by that, I mean, look at where we've been going since the start of last week, right? 1205 and then ending the freaking week up 100%. And now today and right now in the after hours, it's freaking insane. Just even think that we've gone up a significant amount. So 32 all the way to 39. What is that? $7. Right now we ended the after hours trading at around 27.50. So that's pretty freaking amazing, guys. If you guys haven't done already, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Anyways, back to the video. Again, I think we have a lot of things to look forward to. I know those $40 call strikes that everybody's looking forward to, the gamma squeeze that it's going to cause. Like at this point, we have nothing to worry about. Was it boring to, pretty much consolidate all day today and just fight for that $30 price and then, end the day above 30. At that point, it was a battle of 32 and then kind of just turn off your phone, relax a little bit, take a breather. And then not even an hour later, you see the price of AMC just continue to move. And considering everything that happened today, if you guys want to head in that direction, I mean, let's just do it anyways. And you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. The whole hedge fund, Mudrick buying however many, what was it? 8.5 million shares to Mudrick Capital, which we all know is owned by Citadel, which is crazy. And then on top of that, they want to go and publicly announce that not only did they buy the shares today, but they sold on the same day during lunch break. And then they have pretty much the balls to just go out and, spew this negative view on AMC by saying that the stock is completely overvalued. When they get this desperate, right, over a 3-day weekend on a Tuesday, considering the volume was still pretty freaking high, I could show you guys that I even went and bought more shares just to show how much I freaking believe in AMC at this point. And there's no stopping it. There's no stopping Ape Nation, Ape Army, AMC Squeeze. It's pretty freaking amazing. Up $334. I went and put in $1,400 at this point. Let's see, AMC, I have 41 shares in this account. There we go. So today's return, 272. And like I said, at this point, it's like we're trading in the after hours. And this is nothing new, right? Just the immense amount of volume that we've been seeing pre-market and after hours is just another indication that when there's nowhere to hide, and people are still trading and have the belief that they could run this baby up, right? Get into that $40 strike price to cause either a gamma squeeze or more buying pressure, because again, the market makers have to hedge for that position too, right? They don't want to get screwed over by everybody being in the money. They have to prepare themselves that either they're going to exercise or they're going to sell to other people or sell to the market makers themselves, and they're going to have to buy these shares. So they're getting prepared, and obviously even Robinhood is getting prepared. I know other trading platforms are putting the strike prices for call options even higher. I think I saw one at 70 at one point. I think it was on Thinkorswim. They put one at 70, just to prepare themselves for the volatility, the possibility of this stock going all the way to, past where we are right now. And it's inevitable. It was only a matter of time for for us to reach this point, and it's just that right now. I think everybody has to keep that in mind, that right now is just the inevitability, the time that it's going to take for them to just keep, either putting selling walls or trying to do manipulations and stupid, embarrassing, ridiculous tactics like they did today by purchasing these shares. Right, even though Adam Aaron went on Twitter and he went to explain that, they were just trying to raise capital. And that's fine. That's all fine and dandy. Now that, Citadel's own company, Mudrick, just completely sold all their shares. Again, just like with Wanda, we have nothing to worry about. Mudrick's out of the gate. They were trying to, spin this, AMC into oblivion, again, by trying to paint this picture that it's overvalued. And that we have no idea what we're doing, that we're just completely insane, which they tend to forget that we're not only that, but we're apes, right? We're a bunch of retail investors that have nothing better else to do because we started at nothing. We have nothing to lose. We have everything to gain. These guys are losing billions of dollars, right? They've lost a billion last week and potentially billions, depending on where the price goes and how high AMC goes during this week. So a lot of good things to look forward to, as always. Just beautiful, guys. It's just amazing to enjoy this experience, and then at the same time, talk to each and every one of you. Bump into a fellow ape out in the street, and then just talk about what the heck's going on with AMC, and it's incredible. And at this point, I haven't sold a position. If I do, I'll let you guys know. If I have any strategies, I'll let you guys know. I'm an ape. We all have our financial goals. I think at the end of the day, we can all just be grateful that, one, we're part of this experience, and then two, at the same time, the gains and the potential gains that can and will occur in the future, depending on how many shares, where you bought in, etc. Like, I think, again, we have nothing to worry about. FOMO pressure, just regular buying pressure, us buying more shares, like I bought more shares today, is going to contribute to that cause. And we continually see that on a daily basis. And it's not only here on YouTube, we see it on Reddit, we see it on all the Discords, we see it on Twitter, the hashtags trending. I mean, even freaking Matt Kohrs going on CNBC on Money Talks, and him constantly going on these interviews. So that's pretty amazing. And Trey, everybody else doing their due diligence and their work. So at the end of the day, again, I think all we have to do is just sit back, relax, talk to one another, keep our faith strong. We have nothing to worry about. The possibilities of the hedge funds actually winning this and investing more money is the only way for them to actually drive the price of AMC down. But they would keep having to invest millions, if not millions of dollars to achieve their goal, which is to drive the price down as far as they could possibly go, to the point where everybody sells, but at a discount, man. That's how we see it. That's how skewed and just warped the perception is of what our ideology is, as far as like how much we don't care. If you guys bring the price down, we'll just buy it in cheap. If they bring it up high, we'll ride the rocket. We'll ride it up to the top, and then boom, sell. Everybody wins, except for the short sellers and all the hedge funds, and we'll call it a day. And at that point, that's pretty much the whole idea of what's going on with AMC and GameStop. Anyways, guys, it's been a pleasure talking to you guys. Keep it going. Keep the trend of AMC going on Twitter. Tweet everything you can about AMC. Let's get this trending each and every day like we have been the last 3 to 4 weeks. I'll catch you guys next time. Keep you guys updated. I am Tom Trady. Thanks again for watching. Drop that like, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to help the channel out. I would really appreciate it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Enjoy today, the victory, and the after hours. And we'll see if we could probably and hopefully break 40 going into this week. Catch you guys next time. Peace.